So today is day one of my first week prepping, and I'm currently on my break at work, which I'm gonna try and crochet for a little bit, but we'll see how it goes. And yeah, let's see what I can get done this week. Again, in the very few minutes that I have throughout the day. Obviously, I get the bulk of my stuff done at night, but I'm just gonna be continuing to work on a little ghost. So now it's Tuesday, and I ended up finishing one ghost and then a little ghost on a swing, but now I'm at my husband's softball game, so we'll see how many I can get done. I'm gonna write down the patterns, that way I don't have to keep referencing my phone. But hopefully I can crank out a few in the next like hour and a half that I'm here. Okay, so it's now Friday evening, and I have pretty much finished all throughout the weekday, I guess. I made one ghost, mini ghost, and then I made about 12 of these, which I was able to do like 4 of them while I was waiting for my car to get its oil changed. So now I'm just gonna make a bunch of little slides, or not slides, swings. This is kind of what they'll look like. So I just need to crochet those, which will take very much time at all, and then I'll just have like a weave in the ends party. But yeah, it'll be my little ghost on swings. Here's what they all look like, and I just have to weave in the little bottoms and then make the swings, but I'm pretty excited. It turned out pretty well. Oh, on a side note, do you guys like this little AirPod pouch that I made? It's got my little AirPods in them. It's a little whale shark. It's so cute. And then I just stuck a little crochet strap with a little bead to keep it closed. Works pretty well. Yeah, she's really cute. Okay, so now it's the next day, and I finished a few of them, but I still have quite a lot to work on. As you can see, here's one of them. And I'm just gonna work on putting the little swings together. I finished all the swings, I just need to sew them onto the little ghosts. And then I'll decide if I wanna like put smiley faces on them. Maybe I'll put a few on. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So I'm just gonna work on cranking those out, and then maybe I will be able to go and film a thrifting video. So we'll see. I spent the morning editing, so I'm ready to work on these. Okay guys, I finished all my ghosts, and look how cute they turned out. These ones have little smiley faces, so I made 5 with like So I made 5 with smiley faces, and then these guys I just left like blank, mostly because I think the eyes are a little bit too close together to like fit. I mean, I probably could put a little smiley face, but they're so cute. They're all swinging and like, I don't know, I think they're cool. I have a hair sticking on there. But I'm very happy that I got these ones done. I'm probably gonna price them the same, just because like the smiley face is so small. So yeah, I made like 12 of them. 5 have smiles and 7 don't. But if only the ones with smiles sell, I will probably just start adding smiles to them while I'm at my market, because they don't take too much time. It actually worked out really well, and I was able to use like the very end of the yarn, the scraps, to embroider the smiles on, so like that's convenient. Not that I need to conserve this black yarn by any means. I've had it for years at this point, and I'm glad I'm finally like using it. I actually think I'm going to end the video here, just because I finished off these projects. I think I'm still gonna crochet later today, but I'm gonna start that in next week's prep vlog. But let me just recap and show you guys what I made this week. So I finished one of these little ghosts, which I love these. I usually stick a keychain on them, but let me know if I should just kind of leave them as is. I kind of think that would be cute too. Like imagine having a little desk friend. And then I made another candy corn. Whoops. Also, funny story, the first candy corn I made, I messed up the color scheme. So I don't know if I'm gonna sell it or if I should just like discount it, or maybe I'll just keep it for myself at this point. But I made another one. I made a cinnamon scented pumpkin, which I posted this also and people were confused as what it was. So let me know if this looks like a pumpkin to you or not. I don't know. I think it looks like a pumpkin, but we'll see. And then I made 12 ghosts. I have 7 without smiles, and then I made 5 that are smiling, and they're all on their little swings. I think this is a good amount of little ghosts to make, just because I don't know how they're gonna sell, and I'd rather just not have too many and like work on some other projects that I think will sell also, rather than like spending too much time on these. But these are really quick and work up really easily, and honestly they're kind of therapeutic to like crank out assembly line style. So I'm super happy with the amount of items I made. Obviously it'd be nice to do more, but you can only do so much when you're in the middle of working full-time and doing school and also filming thrifting videos. So I am a busy person, but I love it. And here's them all just laid out. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. These are so cute. I love these little guys. Thanks for watching, and definitely comment down below if you have any recommendations. I will also link all of the patterns down below too. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you like this type of video, and wish me luck as I prepare. I think I have like 5 weeks left, so fingers crossed I can do really well.